Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to General, then Keyboard. Once there, tap Keyboards to view installed keyboards. You add the emoji keyboard by choosing Add New Keyboard and selecting Emoji. This installs the system emoji set immediately. Make sure to confirm any prompts about language or permissions. If you rely on a third-party keyboard, keep it installed but add emoji as a separate system keyboard so you can switch to it quickly while typing. Once emoji is added, open any app with text input. You switch keyboards by tapping the globe or emoji icon near the spacebar. Hold the globe to pick directly if you have multiple keyboards. Use the predictive bar or the emoji tab headings to jump to categories such as smileys, objects, or symbols. If you want frequent emojis available, add them to favorites or recent recents will populate automatically. This is how you access the full emoji set while composing messages. To finish, test typing in notes or messages and confirm the emoji panel appears. If the emoji icon is missing, restart the device first. Once rebooted, check keyboards again. If that fails, remove the emoji keyboard and add it back, then update your operating system because missing emoji support can be resolved by updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if third-party keyboards override the globe key, temporarily disable them to verify the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.